Hi guys, so I thought I'd have a quick note about the PayPal credit feature. This is pretty cool. You can purchase products from myself using a finance option with PayPal. They offer 4 months, 0% APR currently at the time of this video. I don't know if that will change. And it's 19% something at APR over anything over 4 months. If you settle your balance within 4 months, you don't pay any interest at all. This is pretty cool for you guys, and it's pretty easy to do, but I thought I'll just quickly show you. Now, let's just say that you want one of these lovely Hobbit rustic beds. You can add all the options you want, and I've already added it to the basket, but let's go to the checkout. I've obviously hidden some of these details for important reasons, but if you go down to here, it says PayPal. You click that. Now you have to put all your details in, and then you have to click this I have read and agreed to the website in terms and conditions, and you click PayPal, and it comes up with a little box here. It might be slightly different on the mobile, guys, but I'm pretty sure you can do it. I think it goes into the PayPal app itself when you do it on your phones, as long as you've got PayPal installed. That is. Now, if you haven't got a PayPal account, you can still do this. It's perfectly fine. You can just create an account. Now, we've already logged in here, so I didn't want to show you the login details because I'm using my Overart login details, and obviously there's things there we shouldn't really be showing people. So you can check the balance at the top. I'm pointing at the screen for some reason, but you can't see that. Look, check the balance. And then if you scroll all the way down, so all these refunding options. So I don't know, you might have 1, 2, 5, 10 here, but you come down and it says here, PayPal credit, apply now. Now you click that, and it will take you to the next screen. Now, I can't continue any further, guys, because this is obviously going to start trying to create a credit application for the person's PayPal account that I'm using. But that's it. That's how simple it is, guys. You go through this screen. Once you've done it, you click apply, and you get an instant decision on whether PayPal will credit this purchase for you or not. Cheers, guys.